Time for Night Court. If you're considering popping the question this New Year's Eve, you may want to pay close attention to tonight's case. Florida fashion designer Wyatt Koch, that Koch, the son of billionaire Bill Koch, proposed to his girlfriend last spring. He popped the question, giving Ivy Gabriel Slocum a reported 8.24 carat Oscar Heyman cushion cut ring. Hope I got all that right. He purchased it for $180 grand. In May, Slocum allegedly called off the engagement but kept the rock. Now Koch is suing in Florida District Court to get the ring back. According to court filings, Koch asked for it back several times, claims it was received as a, quote, conditional gift. Koch's lawyers say the ring is actually valued now at $250,000 smackaroos and are seeking an additional $15,000 in damages. Let's convene night court with our legal eagles, David Bruno, criminal defense attorney. He comes to us tonight from New York, and former prosecutor David D. Pietro, a Florida trial attorney. Okay, Counselor D. Pietro, since you're both David, I'll try to use last names. You're in Florida. What does Florida state law say here?
Well, hell hath no fury like a billionaire scorn, and this billionaire in Florida has got a great case. And because Florida law basically allows for conditional gifts for engagement rings, so if it's presumed under our law that if you gave an engagement ring and the other person did not actually go through with the wedding and get married, you are entitled to that gift back. Oh. So I see this case being a good case for him. But what was interesting is this very skimpy lawsuit that he filed with not a lot of allegations. It's going to be interesting what her counter lawsuit might look like, because it seems like there's probably more to this story than a $250,000 claim on a ring. I think we're going to be seeing a lot more about this case. And
our viewers were just seeing some pictures of Mr. Koch. He dresses very colorful clothes, we should say. Mr. Bruno, Counselor Bruno, do you see a case for the lady here?
Well, not specifically on this case. I'm surprised too. I'll get to the defenses for the female, but I'm surprised that he filed this lawsuit, because with all the money going after $250,000 and opening yourself up to depositions and interrogatories about the marriage is questionable in my mind and risky. But as far as the woman, I mean, what could be argued is the fact that this is a gift and it's not conditional. I don't think it'll work in Florida, but throughout the states of the United States, it really depends, because states are split on this particular point. If it's a gift, like any other gift, a Christmas gift, a birthday gift, once you receive a gift, it's yours. It can't be taken back.
So you're raising something interesting, because a colleague told me before the show, and Counselor D. Pietro, I wonder if I can run this past you, which is that some people have advised my colleague, who shall go unnamed, that you should not propose in Florida or anywhere else on a holiday, like a birthday or Christmas, because then it's more likely to be deemed a gift and not just about the potential marriage. True?
No, not true. Actually, Florida, I took a look at the case law before I came on. Florida is pretty clear that engagement rings are presumed to be conditional gifts, and they're like the one minor exception. Any other gift throughout a relationship is presumed to be a gift. So birthday gifts, cars, clothes, other jewelry.
But what if you propose on that day, though, is my question. So if it's your birthday and you propose, like, I'm going to propose on the day, it's special for her, it's her birthday, does it make it more likely then it's locked down that it's a gift, nothing to do with the wedding?
I think the engagement ring exception is a good one. If you look at his lawsuit, he actually bought other jewelry, and he's not suing for that, probably because his lawyers told him that that kind of gift is not going to be recoverable. But an engagement ring is a solid claim under Florida law. I just think that when a billionaire that's related to as a part of the Koch family fights over a ring, there's more to this story. And I think that what he should be fearful of is a counterclaim, because some salacious things could be put in a lawsuit. And I always say, if you're gonna go after somebody with salacious allegations, put it in a lawsuit.
Counselor Bruno, you got 15 seconds.
You get your privilege.
Last word.
In addition to that argument, there's one more, and that is there are some states that use a fault analysis. So it could be if one individual breaks it up, they cannot be the one to actually try to get the ring back. But it depends on the state. In Florida, I think Koch is actually going to win.
Wow. Okay. Think twice before you do it this New Year's Eve. Got to check the law, gentlemen.
You got it.
Happy New Year.
New Year's, Ed.
Good to see you.
Happy New Year's.
Meanwhile.